Kalinga Institute of Industrial Technology started with a paltry sum of Rs 5,000, equivalent to $100, way back in 1992, and is now spread over 450 acres of land with 1.3 million square meters of built-up area. With 25 schools of different streams, including a medical college and 2,000-bedded attached multi-speciality hospital, it has now 27,000 students from all across the country and abroad. The journey of KIT and the struggle of its founder, Dr. Achyuta Samanta, are both fascinating and awe-inspiring. The huge infrastructure facilities, quality education and research, and the impetus given to the budding talents in sports to bring laurels for the country match the academic excellence of the university, which stands tall among its competitors through accreditation by NAC in Grade A. Besides, it has earned the most coveted accreditation as the Center of Excellence for Engineering Studies under the Washington Accord. The recent ranking through National Institute of Ranking Framework (NIRF) makes KIT a class by itself. It is pertinent to mention here that KIT has secured 22nd position in management, 47th rank in technology, and as per the overall ranking, University has been placed at 49th position among all public and private institutions as per National Institutional Ranking Framework. Similarly, the School of Biotechnology under KIT University has been declared as the Center of Excellence by the Department of Biotechnology under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. On the other hand, the KIT Law School has achieved the first position in national level moot court competition conducted by the Bar Council of India both in the year 2013 and 2017. In the globalized academic atmosphere, KIT continues to make its presence felt in the international arena through its collaborations with more than 135 universities across the globe. The scale, the speed and the skill of growth of KIT is indeed exemplary. With 27,000 plus national and international students from nearly 40 countries in undergraduate, postgraduate and PhD programs of several branches and disciplines, KIT forges ahead to make a mark in the field of innovation, research, international collaboration and holding national and international conferences. KIT is perhaps the only university that synergizes academic and human values. The humane face of KIT is best illustrated through Kalinga Institute of Social Sciences. In fact, KIT started with a motto to give back to the society. It has a medical college named Kalinga Institute of Medical Sciences with a 2,000-bedded hospital. This super speciality hospital has a provision to take care of the poorest patient without charging them. The inspiration to make the university what it is today has come from the meticulous planning and determination of its founder, Dr. Achyuta Samanta, and his dedicated team of staff members.